What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a waveform for your audio in CapCut PC. So the first thing that we need to do is to have an audio to create the waveform for. So for this tutorial I'm going to use this text-to-speech from 11 Labs.
And I make tutorial videos.
Now what we want to do is to download the audio or use the audio that you want, and the next step forward is to search on Google for vid. This is a video editor on browser, so let's click on video editor like so, then on get started. Then what we want to do is to upload our audio here, so let's do that like so. And now we just uploaded our audio, so the next step is to go to elements. Then here at elements, you want to scroll down till you see visualizers. You're going to click on view all. And as you can see here, you have sound waivers. Also, you have other options to choose from. For this tutorial, I'm going to use this one. So all you have to do after you find your perfect waveform format, you have to click on it. Let's make it on center. And for this, let's change the color to white, like so. As you can
My
see, it's
YouTube
working.
channel is called Geotron, and I make tutorial videos.
So the next step is to render the video and download it. So to do that, you're going to click on down, export video. Now we are waiting. Then you're going to click on download button and on MP4. As you can see, it just got downloaded. So let's bring it to the CapCut. I'm going to use this video as a background for our tutorial. Then what we want to do is to bring the waveform to the timeline, like so, above the background video. And to remove the watermark and the black screen, we're going to do these two steps. So the first step is to go to remove background. Then you're going to apply a chroma key and you're going to pick the color black, like so. And the next step to remove the watermark is to apply a mask. We're going to click on mask, then on add mask, and we're going to use the rectangle one. So let's match our waveform. As you can see, we have a waveform for our audio.
Make tutorial videos.
This background is not very good for our white waveform, but you can choose from which color do you want. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.